Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Baburao from Hyderabad. Today, in our Tally Prime video series, our topic is, which we are going to discuss is, what is stock query? Stock query and how to use it. What is the stock query and how to use it? I will share the screen. See here. So here, see how to check the stock query and complete information of any stock item in Tally Prime. So this is our topic today. And so this is the thing, how to check stock query and complete info of stock item in Tally Prime. So what, first of all, we will discuss this. See here, previously, now the stock query is a new item. The stock query is very important summary of stock items, which gives a very good information to us, as well as which facilitates our business to run smoothly. And here the work also is becomes very simple, and it will show the right way about the stocks and everything. So stock query means actually a question regarding the stock summary of the stock item. So previously, in the previous examples, see here, stock group summary we have already learned on 21st November. Remember this, 21/11/22. That day, the stock summary, that is stock item report, that is summary, as well as stock group summary we learned and discussed on that date. So both these reports are the basic reports. They are all basic reports. These are all basic reports. And now we are going to take up this one, full details of the regarding stock items. That is the stock item summary as a report in the previous one, as well as the group summary. It gives the summary or report of all the stock items and all the stock groups. What are the various stock groups and what are the stock items under the various stock groups. But now you cannot get full details of one particular stock item from the previous reports. That is stock item report as well as stock group summary. We will not get the full information regarding one stock item in those reports. So the full information means, the full information of a stock item means, so to which category, which group the stock item belongs, which group is the stock item and which category it belongs, what is its cost price, what is its standard selling price, what is the last purchase price, what is the last sales prices, what are the details regarding the godown wise stock items, the stock item details regarding the godown wise, and what are all the different stock items within the staying category. One stock item if you want to see, we will get all the information, as well as what are the different stock items in the same group, in the same in the same stock category, in the same stock category, as well as what are the different stock items in the same group also, in the same stock group. All these details we can get, as well as as well as what are the purchases on different dates. That is, what are the different purchase transactions, what are the sales transactions, as well as who is for purchases, who are the biggest suppliers, who are the suppliers supplying more and more goods, that is big suppliers, as well as in the case of sales, the customers, who are the biggest customers, that is the persons who purchase lot of goods from us. All these details we can get at one place through the stock query regarding the stock item, any stock item you select. If you take any selected stock item, so the total information regarding the stock item we will get with the stock query. Okay, so this is the thing which about the stock query. Now we will open the tally prime. We will open the tally prime. So all these reports will be get in one place. So now we will bring. So already one company is open, and also one thing is we can get all these reports when we created the category stock groups and stock items. Without a stock group, we cannot create stock item. So groups and items are created, stock items and groups. And in addition to that, go down details, that is different go downs as well as different categories. All these are opened. We can get all the information. For this purpose, we can select a company. See this company in this electronic house, we created stock items and stock groups. Okay. But in addition to that, different go downs are warehouses or what you call locations, different locations or warehouses are what you call go downs, all these are created as well as category also created. That's why we select this company. We'll go to this tally prime. Now, see here, stock query you have to go for stock query. This stock query can be viewed, can be opened, or can be seen in two ways. So first method we will take. For getting the stock query. So go to display more reports D. Then we will stock summary, stock item summary, all these we go to inventory books. Now we will go to and go down details, everything we will go to inventory books. Now here for stock item, stock query, we go to statement of inventory. In this, the short key is E. See, E is capital in blue. So second, so D, so what is it? Display more reports, then statement of inventory E, and then in this scale, stock query, that is T. The short key is T. So DET. Display more reports, stock, statement of inventory, and then stock query. So now click. So now we got the stock items. The stock query we take for one particular, any stock item. All the details we will get. So for that, we select anything. So we get more entries in Sony TV 20 inches. So you collect any item. So for the item, we get the full details. So select Sony TV 20 inches, enter. See now, this is the stock query. See on the left hand upper side, stock query. In the stock query, this is divided into 4 parts. And on the top of this, it will give a lot of details. So name of the stock item is Sony TV 20 inches. What is the group? Sony TV is the group. And TV is the main category, main group. The secondary group only we create here. So Sony TV. And what is the category? Category is TV 20 inches. So TV 20 inches is the category. And what is the closing balance? 16 numbers. Closing value, it's given, as well as cost price, standard selling price, that is cross price, the price which we purchased, and the standard selling price. We may sell for more amount or less amount. And all these details are given on the top. Okay. And around below that, they give four parts. One is for purchases, another is for sales, another is go down details for only this Sony TV 20 inches. So purchase transactions, sales transactions, go down transactions, that is go down summary, as well as items of same category. This is extra another one. So the category is TV 20 inches. So what are the other items, stock items available in the same category? Same category means TV 20 inches. So TV 20 inches, Onida TV is all this. And all this, in addition to this, in addition to this, so this here, in addition to this, above these 4 tables, some other details also will be given. So generally, when you are dealing with the stock, we will enable the GST feature also. But till now, we have not enabled the GST feature. For this purpose only, I enabled the GST feature. So the GST details also for this item, IST details also will be given. So if you want to see the what you call GST details, then you go to F12. Then here, see, go to F12. Then you go here, show stat info. Stat means statutory. So stat info means show statutory info. Statutory means regarding the income tax, TDS, etc. So okay. So here you make it yes. Make it yes and accept the screen. So now here, see, array. Here, above these 4 tables, the GST information is also given. This description of the goods, that is the stock item, HSN code, and what is the rates of tax, and everything will be given. So the details will be displayed. But now we have not dealt with GST features. That's why that will be dealt in advanced stage. That's why just only to show you, I enable that. So we will disable that again. Now make it no. So it will not be shown. That is, the details will not be shown. Here, first of all, one by one we will learn purchases. So in the case of purchases, what are the different purchases made for this stock item? That is, the latest will be shown first, the next previous one, next one, then previous one shown next, then previous one shown next. That means all descending order. So the latest one is 31st May. 31st May is the latest one. So in the latest one, but this one here, this is Rahul Electronics. And then 2nd May, that is the next one. Next one is 1st May, 1st April, 1st April, like that. It's going in as descending level and descending order. And the latest one is 31st May, Rahul Electronics. So that is shown again on the top, last purchased on 31st May from Rahul Electronics. 2 numbers we purchased, yet 23. All these cases, date, the party, supplier or seller, supplier, quantity, rate, and the value. That is amount. That everything will be shown. So here it is shown. Okay. But here, if you want to see the details of this transaction, if we enter that voucher will not be open. The details will be shown in the what we call voucher display. Voucher display. The voucher display show it is purchase, showing purchase. Number 9, the serial number of the purchase, date, supplier invoice number. Supplier invoice number will be different from serial number. This is serial number and date and supplier invoice number and supplier invoice number, date, the name of the veteran, the balance of the customer, that is the supplier, and the item, that is stock item, quantity, rate, and then amount, and bill wise details, new reference. So the invoice number will be taken as new reference, and credit period is given as 10 days and the value is 46,000. Like this, for any transaction, if you click, we will get the details. In this case, you see, we purchased 3 items like this. We will get all the details. And similarly, if you go to sales, here also it will show all the details. 1st May is the last transaction and 2nd April is the previous transaction. It is showing. So the latest transaction, again, last sold on 1st May. So start, this one is given, party name, numbers, and the rate, everything is given. Okay, here you see, and one more thing, and then next we'll go to the go down details. So what are the different go downs? What are the different go downs? 1 minute, wait here. There is something here. Yesterday I made. See here, there is something missing. That's why I stopped it and I went back. See here, actually the last one is not this one. The last purchase is Ashok Traders on 1st November. So it is showing 1st November, Ashok Traders and everything. And in the sales, it's showing all the details. It is showing Balaji Traders, and the numbers and everything is shown. And it is shown again, last sold on 1st November, Balaji Traders, and 25,000 rupees, yet 5 numbers at the rate of 25,000. So these details are shown. And if we go to 3rd one, go down or batch is different. This go down details. So this stock item, Sony TV 20 inches, what is the quantity available in go down 1? 6 numbers. Go down 2, 5 numbers. Go down 3, 5 numbers. So like this, we have to know the go down details. For each go down we have. And now, suppose in the same category, that is Sony TV 20 inches, what are the other items available? Items of same category. So TV 20 inches is the category. So other items, Onida TV 20 inches, Samsung TV 20 inches, and Sony TV 20 inches. These are available with us because the same category. And also here, items of same category we are buying. Similarly, items of same group is Sony TV. So here all the company TVs of 20 inches. Now here, Sony TV, different sizes. is available. So that to see that, go to this place and here see stock items of the same group. Make it yes and save it. See here, previously same category, different companies, same group, different sizes. Sony TV only, that is the group. Sony TV 20 inches, 30 inches, 40 inches. So it's given. So we will make it no again. And then we'll make it no. Okay, now. And one more thing is next one. Here. These purchase and sales, they are showing by default only 5 transactions, 5 numbers they are showing. So if you want, you can, suppose we have only 5, it is showing 5. So if you have a lot of transactions, you can view any number of transactions. Suppose there are 5. If you want to make it 10, so you want to see 10 transactions. So after this, some other transactions will be shown. See here, go to F11, go to the last one, number of last transactions to show, make it 10 and accept. So it will show sales and purchases 10 transactions because we have only 5 up to 1st April. From 1st April we have. That's why it is showing only 5. We can reduce also. If you want to reduce, go to the last one, make it 3. So it is showing only 3. That is from the latest one backwards, it is showing only 3. So 1st November, 31st May, 2nd May, 1st November, 2nd May, 2nd May. Like that, you can increase or decrease the number of transactions with the help of F12. At the end of that, last one is, see, it is 2. So we make it default 5. By default, it will make 5. Okay. And then only 5 transactions. And then the last transaction, we can so change this one and purchases or sales. That is default. And we saw this go down and the same category as well as we can see the same category as well as the same group. Same category means same size of TVs of different companies. Same group means the same company, different sizes. Sony TV, different sizes, we can know. Okay, suppose here, one more thing is here, and another one is here, if you want to see who is in the total report, we have purchasing and selling, who is the biggest supplier or who is the biggest customer. If you want to see, how you will see this one for that. So there are only 4. We can go to this one, another one. Control H, Control H, or click the change view. Click this. So you'll get a list of views. Out of this, you can select top buyers and sellers. You see here. So who are the top buyers and sellers? First of all, by default, the Sony TV 20 inches we selected now. So based on value, it is showing the top sellers or buyers. This is for purchase, for sales. For purchases, they are suppliers. For sales, they are customers. This is showing based on value. So highest value, then next value, then next value, then 1 lakh. Here is 1,25,000 only. Here 1 lakh. It is showing 25. It is showing 50. Descending order. Descending order. Highest amount. Then next lower amount. Next lower amount. Next lower amount. Highest amount. Next lower amount. Next lower amount. Like this. This is based on value. Based on value. Suppose if you are based on quantity also, so you can go F12. Now you go to F12. Here it is showing us value wise, based on value. Now we can see quantity wise. So based on quantity. In this case, the value is the same. The value is dependent on the quantity only. Suppose if there is some difference, that's why it will show 515, then 5, then 5, then 2. Here 5, then 5, then 1. So descending order only. The highest quantity, then lower quantity, then lower quantity, like this. Here also highest quantity, then lower quantity, then lower quantity. So based on the quantity as well as based on the value, it will show the details of the top sellers. So in this case, because if you have lot of goods, dealing with lot of goods, so in the case of sales, we can check up who is the biggest customer. So if you know who is buying more and more from us, biggest customer, then what we can do is we can contact them. I can make them buy lot of goods from us, that you can sell them lot of goods by checking this report. Okay, now we will go back here. And then Here, suppose some customer comes to us, he asks us separately, he will ask us. And also one more thing here. So here, the total report is related to Sony TV 20 inches. Sony TV 20 inches. Suppose the same report, if you want to see for another item. So you see here, going back and selecting all these we can avoid. Simply we can go to F4 stock item. Click F4 or you click the stock item on the right side. So if you escape also, you will go back. Simply click here. We will go to the list of stock items. Then you can select another one. For example, Unida TV 20 inches or Sony TV 30 inches you select. So if you select Sony TV 30 inches, the same report will be shown for Sony TV 30 inches. Group is the same Sony TV. Category is 30 inches TV. Okay. All the 30 inches TVs are shown same category. So if you go for group, the same company, different sizes. They're all same sizes, different category companies. If you go to same group, same company, different sizes. Like that you will get. So all these reports we can get with this one. If you go to stock item. So again we will go now. 20 inches only we can take. Okay, now here one more, the very helpful use of this stock query is if a customer comes to us, he will ask you, what are the 20 inches TVs you have? What are the 20 inches TVs you have? Or Sony TV 20 inches, how many you have? Sony TV 20 inch, how many you have? I will buy all of them. Okay. Otherwise, he will tell you, what are the, I want Sony TV 20 inches. Sony TV 20 inches I want to buy. Then what we do? Then we go to what we go to give him the goods and we go to make the invoice. So go back and now we'll go to vouchers. We'll go to vouchers. Now we will make sales invoice. We'll make sales invoice. So for example, what you say, Balaji Traders. Balaji Traders come to us. So we have selected Balaji Traders. It will be sales. And then we will select Sony TV 20 inches is asking us. Sony TV 20 inches. So now in Sony TV 20 inches, we are going to bill. Then he asked us, so how many TVs you have? How many Sony TV 20 inches you have? Then how to do? How many TV 20 inches? Or he will ask you, how much is the price of this 20 inches now? What is the price of Sony TV 20 inches? He will ask you. Then how can you going back and asking them? Instead of that, simply go to the backspace. Give backspace. See, select the stock item. So select the stock item. Then Alt yes. Then click Alt yes. So you are going to the stock query. We need not go back to display more reports, stock summary. I mean stock what you call this stock books. I mean stock inventory, books of inventory accounts, all these and stock query. You need not select all these. So we need not select all these. Simply click Alt yes. If you click Alt yes, it will go to the stock query. Then you can see here stock query. And one more thing is, so it's particularly showing, but on the sales side, it will not show the total sales. It will show only the sales relating to that particular party. So when we are entering the voucher, preparing the voucher, we selected the Balaji Traders. So for that report only, it will show what are the sales made to Balaji Traders. So here, what is the price? 25,000. What is the price? 25,000. So now we will bill him 25,000. He will ask you, what is the old price? For example, we have only one transaction. We have many transactions. So it will be given date wise. So date is to first, then next day, lower date, then lower date. So we can see the old date also. We can see the old date. what was the price that time? It may be 22,000 and 23,000. We can tell him 22, 23,000. Like this, we can tell the old price as well as old price and new price. Okay. Now, he will ask you, what are the different, he is asking us, what are the many same 20 inches of different companies in the same category. So now you can see here, if you see the same category, 20 inches, we have all this, but for 2 items, we don't have balance. But if there is balance, it will show the details of the same category, all the TVs. Okay. If you ask, what are the same Sony TVs, how many sizes you have? In such case, you can see, we know, we go to same group. Yes. If you make that, you will understand. See, same group means same Sony TV, 20 inches, 30 inches, and all this we have. What are the different prices, quantity available, prices, everything. Like this, we can know all the prices. Okay. Now, so like this, we can get different reports through the stock query, different details we can get for the same topic item. Like this, you can see the same, all the details for any topic, any stock item by clicking. See here, need not going back, display and all this not required. Here, go to F4 and you can select anything. And after seeing that, again select this, go to some other thing. So like this, we have to, and this is about the stock query. And I told you, the stock query can be viewed or can be seen in 2 ways. This is the first one. First one is display more reports, and then statement of, that is E, statement of inventory, then T, stock query, then select that item. So we can see in this way. The another method is simply you are working somewhere, not in that gateway of tally. If you are in the gateway of tally, display, then stock statement of inventory, then stock query, then like this we can do. Suppose you are working somewhere, you want to see the stock query. So that is the second method. How you can see the stock query means simply, instead of closing this, that now we are not working, we are any work we are doing, instead of closing that screen, we can go to Alt G. We can go to Alt G means go to function. So with this go to function, we can go here, go to function. See here, common reports, you see here, come down here, stock query. So the same thing will happen. The stock items will come. And if you want any stock item to see the reports, so you can click. So instead of closing that work, and after this, if you click escape, if you go escape, so we are from here, we went to go to function. But in some screen, from screen, we will go to function. Then if you click escape and escape, you will go to that page again without closing that, because that page will not be closed. Okay. So this is how we can select we use this stock query. This is very, very useful. You need not go here and there and there. Every stock item report, that is all the information relating to any stock item, you can get at one place by different configurations. First, they will show 3 items. They will show 4 tables, and the 4 tables, and then by configuring, you can see any number of items. I mean, any number of any item report you can get, and also for every item you can get. In addition to this 4, you can get many other reports also at the same place. Okay, this is how we will do. Okay, with this, we close this session, and now I will request for you, please, many persons are visiting this and viewing the videos and not subscribing. Everyone, please, only once, please subscribe. Once if you subscribe, next time you cannot subscribe. It will be subscribed only. So you subscribe to my channel and click bell icon, select all, then you will get notification for all the videos which I upload, and you share this channel to with all your friends, not only friends, any person who who want to know or learn Tally Prime, as well as working accountants who are working with Tally ERP 9, but they want to learn Tally Prime. So to them also, you share this channel. And one important thing is while watching the videos, every video you watch till the end. If you skip it in the middle, you cannot understand the balance topic. So view the video till the end, and at the end, if it is good, you click the like button, and your idea about the videos, any video, your idea about the video, you post in the video below the video, you post in the comment section your comment about the video. Okay, and then another thing is, I told you in the previously that I will start my offline and online class from 1st January. That is due to some circumstances, unavoidable circumstances, I was not able to start that. But meanwhile, January 1st and January 2nd functions, and then in the meanwhile some holidays, and we are getting nearing Sankranti. So after completing Sankranti, I am planning to start. So I will fix up the date. Now I posted a video also about this, stating that the classes will be started after Sankranti. I will fix up a date within a few days. Then I will post again video regarding the date of starting the online and offline classes. If anyone require, so the classes, you can contact me with my details I given in the video on the thumbnail, as well as in the channel. In the about section, I have my email as well as mobile number. You can contact me. We can settle that, and definitely are going to start after the Sankranti, that 14th, 15th, and 16th. And after that, I will start the batches. Okay. And then, and thing is, while you are learning these videos, you are watching the videos, you watch the videos as per the order in which I uploaded. As well, date-wise, you watch the videos, then only one by one. That is like A, B, C, like that. That's why you will get a very expert knowledge if you watch in the same order. So expert knowledge, and you will become expert accountant. And I hope you all gain expert knowledge and become expert accountants. If you have any doubts, you can contact me, no problem, at any time. Okay. And then with this, we close this video. We'll meet in the next video. Good night. Bye.